Morning.
Morning.
Welcome to the video. Just flown in on Virgin. They're an alright airline.
Yeah.
And here's the flight.
Too loud here.
Right, so noise over here is a bit better. We are in Los Angeles. I can't speak properly. In Los Angeles, taking this jetty here, and well, now the noises again. Jay. Anyway, best spot for aerosexuals. Ooh. The plan, oh look, what service? The plan today is we are taking this car and we're going to go to
Queen Mary.
We're going to go see Queen Mary.
Irvine.
Irvine. Oh, In-N-Out headquarters. Do you know, because that's what I need. But that is why we're here. I am here for an In-N-Out marathon. This boy here.
For the LA Marathon.
Correct, so he obviously is a lot more fit than I am. And yeah, but this video today was going to check out a few LA sites, have a snooze, go to ice hockey tonight. I don't know if you can film there though.
We will.
Okay, we'll take the camera anyway. And yeah, so let's do it. Where did I cross that one? Just because you wave doesn't mean I actually let you in.
Yeah.
Returning this car, it's crap, and we're going to get something else. It's not crap. New car, new day. Not really, same day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got the Toyota, because you cannot go wrong with Toyota. Hi Toyota, I'll take a free Toyota.
Yeah.
Toyota. Let's resume the day, and we're off to the Queen Mary.
I did a Queen Mary, dear.
What? Alright, car number 3. This one doesn't connect to GPS either. So, I mean, blue looks better on me anyway. Aircraft. Manuel, can you get my bags?
Yes.
We will get to the Queen Mary eventually. Oh, is this not an Uber? We're not getting the bag? We're going on the freeway! Woo woo! Whip whip. Beautiful ship, built back in 1936. Let's go explore this beast. We may see ghosts because apparently that's what you do. I don't know. Bit crap, guys. They want to charge you $30 just to walk onto that thing. Not paying $30. Someone smashed the cockpit windows on that. Wait, why the heck does it have windows on a sub? There you go, that's the Queen Mary. Hope you enjoyed it. Let's go find something else to do, because we've still got 5 hours to check in. Personally, I just paid the extra $50 to check in early, but each to his own. Yeah. Alright, so we finally made it to the In-N-Out company store and university. Before we go in there, what? What'd you say to me? Oh, you're on the phone. Before we go in there, obviously we're going to eat some In-N-Out burgers over there. Because, you know, for me, that's the only reason I'm here, obviously. Got me goodies, got me apron, got the magnets for the wife, and what else did I get? Oh, beanie, because you know, you need a beanie in Queensland. All right, well, we're done for the day. Let's go and jump in the pool and, oh wait, we're going to hockey still. Oh, let's do that. Ends there. Thanks for watching. We'll pick up tomorrow when we're heading out to Six Flags Magic Mountain. Sick.